Dashboard supports pulling data from a web service, a programmatic layer that exists between a data source and a front-end application, to populate a dashboard. In this tutorial, you will create a data connection for a web service, configure a connection refresh button to load the latest data from the service, and then test the connection in the dashboard. Note that this tutorial was recorded using SAP Business Objects Dashboards 4.0, Build 14.0.0.760. To navigate, use the viewer controls or follow the on-screen instructions, if available. Create a new web services data connection using the Data Manager. Click Data. Select Connections. Click the Add list. Select Web Service Connection. Define the name of the connection. Click in the Name text box. Type Currency Converter and then click in the WSDL URL text box. Enter the web services description language URL, and import the input and output values from the web service. Type the URL, and then click Import. Bind the input and output values to the cells in the embedded spreadsheet that are bound to the components in the dashboard. Select from Currency. Click the button to the right of the Read From text box. Select cell B7. Click OK. Select To Currency. Click the button to the right of the Read From text box. Select cell B10. Click OK. Select Conversion Rate Result. Click the button to the right of the Insert in text box. Select cell D7. Click OK. Set the connection to refresh before the components are loaded. Click the Usage tab. Select the Refresh Before Components Are Loaded checkbox. Click Close. Configure the Refresh button to update the data when clicked. Double-click the Refresh button. Select the Currency Converter checkbox. Click Behavior. Select the Refresh After Components Are Loaded checkbox. Click the button to the right of the Trigger Cell text box. Select cell D7. Click OK. Click Close. Save your changes and export the dashboard. Click Save. Click File. Click Export. Select Flash. Type currencyconverter.swif, and then click Save. Click Minimize. Open the dashboard and test the connection. Double-click the currency converter SWIFT file. Select Australian dollar. Click to scroll down. Select Canadian dollar. Click Refresh. Note that the conversion rate is displayed. You have successfully set up a connection to a web service. This is the end of the tutorial.